Now we will explore what is list. Lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Lists are one of four built-in data types in Python and used to store collections of data in multiple ways. The other three are tuple set as dictionaries, all with different qualities and uses. So Python has a great built-in list type name list. List literals are written with square brackets. So let's define a list and start performing some operation on a list. So just we will go with introduction, how to define a list. Let's define a list that is denoted by L, and list is always defined within square brackets. You need to keep remember this thing. So we can store different data types here. Now we will store first one we are using is a string. Next we will keep integer number. Another one we will keep a number, and now we will have a city name like Kolkata. So if you want to print, I don't know from where underline is coming. So if you want to print this one list, we have to type here L, and as we go for run, okay, we were not using here, we were using here markdown. If we go, we need to go for code. So that's why this underline was coming. And now if we go to code and we just run undetermined Kolkata. So you can see what is the first, you just tell me what is the error. We didn't close Kolkata as a string. So that's why it's showing error. So this is the string. We can also have nested list. Nested lists are basically list in another list is known as nested list. So let's say we are using another one list. I'm saying it Li. So as Li within square brackets, as I already told you, we will define a list. So first thing is chemistry. Now we are saying we are having another one subject English, and we are having another list here which is showing data about years, and we are also having some data 45, 65. So this is a list. Let's say we are saying this L1. So if I will run this one, this will show the out what is stored in this list. So this is the list. Let's use some of the tools that we are having, like we are having indexing. Indexing is also works in the similar manner as we did in strings. So this is same way will work in list too. Indexing can be done in positive and negative both way. It will start from 0 from left to right and start from -1 from right to left. So if I am accessing L1 0, I want to access this, then what it will show, I guess you can imagine, chemistry. Now if I want to access second element, Sorry, it should not be curly bracket, it should be square bracket there. Now, if I want to access third one element, so it will work like this. No, no, no. This is coming from upper one list. It's L1. If I want to access second element, it will show this one, another list. So if you want to access a nested list from backward, what you need to do? -1, -2, -3. So if I will do L1 -3 and then first element there, then what need to access? We need to do put here 0. So I want to access this 90, 4. So -1, -1, -2, -3 and first one element 0. This should be capital. No. So this is 1994. So you need to just learn how to extract element from list by indexing. Another tools which we have is slicing. So if you want to access a subset of list, you have to do slicing. Slicing is basically telling to Python interpreter that you want to access, no, you are not accessing an element, but you want to access a subset of the list or string. So if I want to access a subset, what I need to do? Like L1, we want to access from second element and third element. So what we need to do here? We just need to do first slicing. We just don't need to do markdown. Okay, so we just need to do not markdown. It's just we are coding here. So if I want to access any subpart, what I need to do here? I will do L1 and I will define the element which I really want to access. So I want to access 1 from element second to third element. So in slicing, as I already told you, I will mention the element which from where I want to start, and I will mention the element plus 1 for indexing. So I want second and third, so that's why I mentioned 1 and 3. Why 1? Because it starts from 0, 0, 1, 2. By this we will get second and third element. So if I do this, you can get this. You can see here in list what we got. English and this second and third element. So if I really want, what it will show? It will show from 0 element to third element. It won't, and 3 indexing show for fourth element. 0, 1, 2, 3. So we always take here and the element we want plus 1 index here. We will mention it. So this is how indexing and slicing works in Python. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe my channel if you didn't yet. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much.